Today we will see how to check unlimited domain authority for free on moz.com. So domain authority is the moz.com metric to measure how well a website is performing. It's a rating from 0 to 100, 100 being the best score possible. So it's only achieved by the best website, which is probably Wikipedia, the website with the most links to it. So if you check another website, for example, here I am checking my website, I can see here my domain authority, the number of root domains that are linking to my website, and the number of keywords on my website that are ranking. So if you want to check a few domains, you will quickly reach the limit. So let's enter another domain. So this is another of my domains. I pushed enter, it's analyzing. So this is my other domain, okay. Then let's check again another domain. So this is the third one I am checking, okay, I get the result. Then again, another domain, the fourth one, and I have exceeded already my search limit. I cannot search anymore. So what I can do, very simple, is to download a free VPN, such as the Planet Free VPN. You will have a link in the description, but any free VPN will work. This one works great. Once you have installed it, which I did already, here you will be able to connect to several free servers. So you have a free VPN. Here you have 5 countries for free, and just connect to any of these locations. So I connect to the VPN for free in the Chrome extension. Here it is, the connection is secure, I am connected. Now I go back to my moz.com, I simply, with Control R, I reload the URL, this website, with the analysis for my website, and here I go. I get my fourth domain authority check. I can continue. I add another domain. I check it, so now it will be the 5th domain I am checking. Okay, so this is my domain authority. Again, another one. The 6th website I am checking now. Okay, domain authority, all good. And now, if I want to check another one, a 7th one, again, I have exceeded the search limit. So what? Very simple. Just here, go to the VPN and go to the next country. So I used France, and I will use Germany. Again, a free VPN, a free location. And here, simply reload the URL, and here you go. I am checking my 7th URL now for free. So you can keep doing so. Virtually, you can go to as much as you want. So you will probably need more VPN, because here you have only 5 free locations. So plus your own location, it makes 6 times free websites that you can check. But if you get a paid VPN, then you will have even more servers. Or if you use other free VPNs, you can also repeat the operation as long as these servers have an IP in another location. So you can use this very simple trick to check unlimited domain authority on moz.com. Again, this is free. All you have to do is to go to freevpnplan.com, use the affiliate link in the description, and let me know how this VPN works for you. And all you have to do is to download the free VPN. You can use their Chrome extension if you don't even want to install a software, or download the standard VPN software to install on your Windows or on your mobile phone. So you can also do it on your mobile phone. All you have to do is to change your country, and you will be able to check more domain authority on more websites. So if this was useful to you, let me know in comment. Thanks.